Today we are going to start a series of backend development. So what we are going to learn in this whole series: basics of Node, role of TypeScript, how to read and use official documents, Postman and APIs, EJS pages, and so on. So stay tuned with me and support me with like and subscribing my channel, A Programming Language. What happens when you search something? Google provides you different options and links. You click on the link and the whole page loads into your browser. Load means to say HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This is the simple structure how website and web pages works. There are two languages in web development: front-end and back-end, or can say client-side and server-side. Whatever you are looking at the screen is client-side, and the data like paragraph, images are coming from the server side. This image would explain you better the browser and the scripting. The scripting means this website is a combination of CSS, HTML and JavaScript, and this server-side scripting page is maybe built in Java or PHP. JavaScript was not designed for the backend because the drawback of JavaScript was it cannot run without browser. So it was not for the server side. But in 2009, Ryan included JavaScript with Google V8 engine, and we got the JavaScript for the backend called Node. V8 engine is in Google Chrome, which is the fastest browser. Because of it, V8 is written in C and C++ and is used to communicate with your system's hardware and software. So having the V8 engine, JavaScript came out from the web browser and become the server-side language Node.js, and can do much more than this. So what is Node? Node is an open source server-side environment. Open source means copyright holder grants user the right to use, study, change and distribute the software for any purpose. Comparing Node with most famous languages like Java, PHP, Ruby and so on, it is true that Java can do everything, but is it easy to write artificial intelligence codes? Its lengthy code can be understood and modified later. How easy to learn this language? The point is, today's technologies are giving the edge on these questions to JavaScript and Python language. That's why they are rising day by day. So at the place of JVM in Java, V8 engine is being used in Node. At the place of libraries and classes, Node APIs or modules are being used in Node. JRE, Java Runtime Environment, is for the Java, and the Node environment is driven for the Node applications. So friends, for your support for this content, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.